water.
Not yet.
Stupid
Because what
question.
you've got to do... Yeah, Bobby?
Well, this is the whole fucking process.
Oh, well, you know, this is 1932, 1933.
Yep.
Now, because there's dirty water down here, this empties
Now
out.
4 years.
What the hell's that?
This was the water that's sitting in the bottom that the pump doesn't get, which would have a lot of the sediment and,
Hey, she's peeing.
any of the crud that came off the dishes. And it does tell you to do this in the instructions.
That you don't have.
Right.
So how did you know to do it?
For the walker.
You're missing.
Oh, Jesus.
You're missing the bowl.
Gets me so excited here.
Lord. You want some paper
No,
towel?
no, I thought I'd wait for evaporation to work.
Yeah.
Honest to God, you want a towel?
Yeah.
Do we need toilet paper?
Yeah.
Does it need to be
Thank
wiped
you.
Jeez.
Honest to goodness.
We should have Nina with a pad.
Every penny I spent for my boss, you know what? I'm glad.
Prick.
Every last penny.
Good to the last drop.
Wow.
Isn't that what I You don't need it. I'm gonna give you Craig. Craig, you're a pain in the ass. Well, you even said it's a pain in the ass to load.
Well, you didn't want an old KitchenAid.
I want a little shitty thing. No, you're not putting an old
Did
KitchenAid.
you flip the thing?
Yes, I
Did
did.
you lift your kettle water
I
down?
love my kettle water now.
Oh. My grandmother used to fill up her Maytag with a big
But I'm gonna wait
boiling
just a
water. She would dump it in.
I'm just going to wait a few.
Pop a broomstick in there too, though.
She did.
Poor
She pulled it
Grandma.
close.
Poor Grandma.
I love it. She never burned
I'm
it.
going to wait till the last minute to put that in.
Is it tea?
She took it with us, or she going? She's washing clothes with the angels.
The angels.
She's washing
Starching the
clothes.
wings.
What was her name?
Anna.
Abu Nama the Anna.
Now we're going to make some kettle water.
Oh, stop it.
I'm sure Esmeralda would have them.
Wow.
You know,
Idella.
she would have had them washed dry and put back in the cabinet by now.
But they would have been chipped. That's right.
No, and the people that probably
Alright.
spent $500 back in 1920